After logging in the KPay POS app, the screen will automatically navigate to the sale page. Enter the transaction amount on the sale page, then tap Confirm. Next, tap bank card or phone as the payment method. Instruct the customer to tap their payment card or place their phone near the NFC reader and wait a few seconds to complete the payment. Instruct the customer to swipe or insert their card to complete the payment. Once the transaction is successful, the screen will display successful. The receipt will be printed automatically. You can tap Merchant or Customer to print out the copy of receipt again. If you encounter any issues while using the product, feel free to contact us. Our customer service team will assist you in resolving any difficulties as soon as possible.